Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how to sort data in Excel. So, in this video, we will be learning how to sort minutes and cells. So, s- to sort minutes, we need to select one of the cell from the data. Now, we need to go on sort and filter and click on the sort largest to smallest, and there we go. And now I want to see that if this data if the 45,000 keeps its relation with the query, and if I'm select this data and sort it, it will it be same with that. So let's get started. Now first I will be selecting the data. Now go on the sorted filter. Now I will be sort Z to A. Now sort warning, you will be clicking on the sort. Here we go. So as you can see that the 45,000 keeps its relation with the query, and it performs the uh, Z2A sort. And thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon. And if you like my video, please do subscribe and share. This helps me a lot to make more videos like this.